Gabba Gabba! Nesting dolls. Let's get them out of the box. We have Muno. He's red. We have Foofa. She's pink. We have Plex. He's yellow. We have Toodee. He's blue. And we have Brobee. He's green. It's the tall and friendly Muno. Let's look at Muno. He's red. Muno has one eye and 2 teeth. There's something inside of Muno. It's Foofa. Let's look at Foofa. Foofa is pink. She has a flower on her head and she has 2 eyes. There's something inside of Foofa. It's something yellow. What could it be? It's the magical robot Plex. Let's look at Plex. Plex is a yellow robot. He has a red button on his head and 2 eyes. There's something inside of Plex. It's something blue. It's Toodee! Let's look at Toodee. Toodee is blue, and his teeth look like 2 triangles. He has 2 eyes, just like Foofa and Plex. And Toodee has something inside. It's something green. It's Brobee. Let's look at Brobee. Brobee is green and has 1, 2, 3 stripes on his belly. And he has a big orange mouth. Is there anything inside of Brobee? No, he's empty. Miss Hands! Oh, hi, Fizzy. Hi! I made you some ice cream surprise cups and ice cream cones. Look inside. I will, Fizzy. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's look inside of our first ice cream cone. Whoa! I see Foofa! The ice cream cone was pink, just like Foofa, who's pink. But where is the other Foofa? Is Foofa in here? There's Foofa! Now we have 1, 2 Foofas. Let's open up our next ice cream surprise cup. What's inside? I don't see anything. Wait a second, I see red. Muno is inside. Muno is red, just like his red cup. Now we have 1, 2 Munos. Time to look inside of our blue ice cream cone. Is that you, Toodee? It is Toodee! He is blue, just like his ice cream cone. Hi, Toodee! Where is our other Toodee? Is he in here? No, that's Plex. Where is our other Toodee? Maybe inside of Plex. There he is. There is our blue Toodee. Now we have 1, 2 Toodees. You think we'll find a yellow Plex in our yellow ice cream surprise cup? Let's find out. What's inside? I hear something. It is Plex. Yellow Plex was in our yellow ice cream surprise cup. Now we have 1, 2 Plex robots. We have 1 more ice cream cone. Who do you think is inside? Let's open our green ice cream cone. What's inside? It's Brobee. Green Brobee was inside of the green ice cream cone. But where is our other Brobee? Is it inside of Foofa? No. Is it inside of Muno? No. I know, it's inside of Plex. No, no Brobee inside. Is Brobee inside of Toodee? There he is. Now we have 1, 2 Brobees. Can we find more surprises inside of our Yo Gabba Gabba friends? Let's check Muno. Whoa. He's full of red Play-Doh. Are there any red surprises inside of the red Play-Doh? It's Hello Kitty. She has on a red shirt and a red bow in her hair. Are there any other red surprises in our red Play-Doh? Yes, we have Wendy Wedding Cake. She is a red Shopkin. Foofa, do you have any surprises inside? Whoa, there's pink Play-Doh inside of pink Foofa. What do we find inside? It is a pink Loopsy unicorn. Is there anything else pink inside of our pink Play-Doh? Yes, it is Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie has pink, blue, and yellow on her. Let's look inside of Plex for more surprises. Whoa, there is yellow Play-Doh inside of our yellow Plex. What will we find inside of the yellow Play-Doh? It's a yellow O from the movie Home. He is yellow with purple and blue. Toodee, do you have any surprises inside? I see blue Play-Doh. What will we find? It's Elsa from Frozen. Elsa's wearing a blue dress and she was in our blue Play-Doh. Brobee, you're so small. Do you have any little surprises inside? Here's some green Play-Doh. What's inside? It is Sweet Pea. This is a green Shopkin. Green Sweet Pea was in the green Play-Doh inside of the green Brobee. I hope you enjoyed all of our Yo Gabba Gabba surprises today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.